Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to turn safe chat off on Roblox. So open your Roblox and click on settings, click on parental controls and turn on this option and click on verify email. You'll need to verify your email address. Now again click on this toggle and create a 4-digit PIN here. Confirm your PIN here and click on add and enter here your Roblox account password. Verify. Okay, and go to privacy and click on communication, select off and enter here 4-digit PIN and click on unlock. And you can customize other settings from here. Who can message me, you can change privacy from here. Who can chat with me in app, then who can chat with me. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.